Good morning, friends. It is moving truck day. It's not like the final moving day, but it is moving truck day. We rented a U-Haul and we are going to take all the big stuff. So this morning I need to go take down my bed because I haven't taken down my bed yet. And that's one thing that is going. And then I need to clean out my dresser or my desk. My dresser is done. I'm not taking that with me, but I need to clean out my desk because that's going and it's still not clean. Welcome to ADHD Moving, featuring me.
Good morning, beautiful girl. Were you hanging outside this morning? Were you hanging outside this morning? Good morning. Oh, how was your time out here? Yeah, you love hanging out in the mornings by yourself, don't you? Don't you? And go get him, go get him.
All right, so game plan for this room. It's it's laughable. You can still see everything is on my shelves. My decor is still up. My game plan is to tear down the bed first so that I have more room to move around and navigate, and then pack everything else. I'm not really sure. I've been trying to fight this and just push it off until like January 5th is like the last day. I can tank after that for a little bit. I can, you know, just crash. But right now I just need to stay good. Yesterday was a lot of physical work. The last 2 days have been a lot of physical work, but yesterday was so much going up and down those stairs because there's an outside set of stairs and then there's a flight of stairs and like a quarter flight of stairs. So my legs are burning. Then I'm gonna take some medicine this morning. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. It is, let's see what time it is. It's 9:39. We go and pick up the U-Haul at 11. We have it all day. It's just like the miles you drive that you get charged, not the time. So we do have it all day, which is nice. However, I do just want to get things done, and hopefully I can meet my mom and sister at the apartment at like 12:30 so they can help us unpack. I'm not very excited. Let's go. First step is cleaning all of this off. Breakfast break. I did like one thing, so I got hungry. Hopefully you can hear me over the air conditioning and them screaming. These boxes were in my way, so I'm just gonna pack these two boxes. This one is like office and electronic. This one is like decor, and then like Kelly's drawings and stuff that he gave me. So I'm just gonna keep packing these. And then I have this little basket of like my everyday bathroom items. I know I'm going to have another one because I don't think my face stuff is going to fit in there. I don't know how this corner got so messy so quickly. Glenn brought me a whole other stack of clothes that I have to go through. I hate moving. Did I say that before? Put it on record. I hate moving. Look at how beautiful. I'm gonna clean this top off real quick, and then we're gonna move this into my son's room just for the time being, so we have more space to take the bed down. And then I still have to do the desk. Everything is going well. Everything is working perfectly. We're fine. I'm trying not to like pack all of my jewelry in places I'm not going to remember, and like my makeup, because we're going to a party on the 1st, so next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like in 5 days. So I'm trying to remember where all of my stuff actually is, because that would be terrible if I didn't have anything for the party. Okay, makeup. Ta-da! All cleaned off, mostly. Now, can we please not take this down today? Since we have to do the fucking couch.
Taking this? Oh my god! I got caught on the door.
I want to do it. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Oh. Time to pick up the U-Haul and get coffee. My favorite time of the day. You might be wondering, Libby, where's your coffee? I got one from Dunkin' because we just went to Dunkin' for the boys. I took a drink of it and I was like, I am going to have a diabetic coma because there's so much sugar in this. And then I drove to Scooters and they literally had a line wrapped around their building. So I'll get coffee later. However, we did pick up the U-Haul. So they are downstairs loading stuff into the U-Haul and I need to take this bed apart. Yay. My idea is to wrap this, but we don't have a fitted sheet. So I've got to try to like duct tape it somehow so that I can cover it so it doesn't get dirty. Oh my god. Why is this mattress so heavy? Holy shit. It's so dense. Oh my god. Come on, muscles. That's not gonna work. You guys fell and missed the best part. I got it up all by myself. Okay, this Novilla mattress. First off, shout out to them because I really do like this mattress. Why? Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to cover this. Let's go right here. So then I can like cover this and I could just like tape this, right? Yeah. Let's do that. We're gonna tape this like this. Hello. Come here often. These are sheets that we don't use any longer, so if I ruin them, none of us really care. Okay. Boom. Perfect. All right, that's kind of what I envisioned. Other side. Oh, I can't fit. Maybe I can. Oh God. Okay, I probably am focusing too much on wrapping this, but I put like 1, 2, 3 so that it's all covered and I just unraveled one of them. And then my hope is to do the same and like tape them together in the middle because this only covers about half of the mattress. The other one will hopefully cover the rest if I did this right. If I did this right. Who knows if I did. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I think I did it, friends. I know you can't see, but I think I did it. Okay, you guys can see over here better. So the white one ends here. Gray one will meet up with it. Yeah. Does it look absolutely insane? Yes. Do these work as nice little handle grips? I think so. Debating on what's going to be easier. Like, I know the headboard needs to stay a solid piece. So I think my game plan is to like detach there, and there. But I really don't want to have to detach all of this. Like, maybe I can keep this. God, I don't know. I really don't want to detach all of this, but I think I'm going to have to. We might have a problem. You're just gonna take it all the way out, huh?
I mean, at least take one side all the way out, then it should be fine for the other.
No, No, you don't get it. They have to slide out, like, against this board. That's what I'm saying. No. I don't know what you're gonna ask me. I was kidding. I just am worried about these three up here. Like, there's no support up there. So I'm gonna try to either lay it down or like support it differently. I don't know. My plan was vetoed. I gotta take these off because he doesn't want it to break.
Sorry for being a nice person.
All right, that is the final verdict of the bed. Oh, looks so blank in here now. I'm not gonna cry, it'll be fine. I'm ready, I'm up. Is it gonna fit? Oh God. Oh my God. You're basically fucking pulling me at this point. Yeah, like that. Ow! Oh, I'm just gonna shove it. We just got one part of the couch moved and look at all this glorious stuff underneath it. And I promise we have cleaned it since living here, but it doesn't look like it, does it? We've carried a lot out. I'm sorry I haven't filmed most of it. We've got that part of the couch out, a deep freeze. He just took another sectional out, one of the storage sheds. Now we're taking this big boy out. Beautiful! We gotta get that desk now. Huh. Perfect. There it is. All the heavy stuff is loaded.
Why are you putting stuff in there and not away in there?
Because we needed room. You okay? I'm stopped at a light real quick. I haven't really been emotional all day until Kelly got emotional when we were leaving. Yeah, that was hard. I'm not quite done yet. All right, so this is what we have set up so that the kiddo and I can sleep here tonight. And then this is all the stuff. It's really not that much.
No, you guys don't have a lot.
No, I have done a fantastic job of decluttering. So we just got the U-Haul all unloaded. So his stuff is at his place and mine's at mine. And we're gonna go eat food. It is the end of the moving day with the truck. I still have this desk to do. Basically everything else besides the walls is done in here. We still have to go through the kitchen. And then our little closet that has storage stuff in it. So we're not quite done yet, but I'm done for today. I'm gonna shower here because the hot water at the apartment doesn't work yet. So they have the plumber coming out Thursday. Shower here, go make our bed there, and have our first night of rest. Hopefully we get rest. I hope that Kylo adjusts well, and Kelly. So I will just see you guys when I see you. I have no idea what these videos are gonna look like. I'm just taking you along for the ride. Welcome to my medicine cabinet. I'm sure that this audio is not the best, but tonight is the first night that Kelly and I are staying here. And it sucks. You try to be so strong for your kids, but then like, when I was driving away from the old house tonight, he's staying there, and we've just brought my bed and stuff here. It just kind of hit me that it's real, and it's a huge change. brought my dog with me, and he just made it even harder because he has no idea what's going on. He just kept like going to the door like, can we leave now? What are we doing? So change is so scary and so hard, and like I want to be happy. I want to be happy so bad, but it's hard. I feel like I've been holding back tears all day. I feel like today was just such a rush of emotions and like craziness and trying to get everything planned that I didn't really have a moment to like think about how I was feeling. And then once, you know, you kind of wind down, I took a shower at the old place, and then just all the emotions just hit me like a truck. So it'll be fine, everything will be fine. But it's okay that it sucks, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. I don't know. You don't ever have to want to like go through a breakup, and especially with a kid involved, but that's never a reason to stay either. It's not, if you're not happy, it's not a reason to stay. I think like I'm having a harder time because everything is fine. But then deep down and like fundamentally, I know that it's not fine. And 5-10 years down the road, I would be kicking myself for not following what I know is right. So the kiddo has camp tomorrow, a new camp. Yeah, so it's just a bunch of new things, and it's all happening at the same time, and I'm so proud of him for how well he has handled all of this. He has just done so well. And it's not the fact that I want him to be emotionless about it. He's had emotions, but we've been able to talk through them and just cry it out together. And he's told me when he's nervous and when he's scared, and I appreciate it. Because I know it's terrifying. He's so brave. He has to go to a new summer camp because his summer school he couldn't go to this year. He has to go to a whole new school with a whole new set of friends in the fall. It's just, he's so brave. I don't know if I would be able to do that when I was 9. It'll be okay. I know it will. It just really sucks right now. Thank you guys for joining me and coming along with me through this whole journey. You guys have been a huge, huge, huge support, and I can't even begin to thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. I am gonna go crash now though. I don't know if it's just from sheer exhaustion or what, but I'm going to bed. So thank you guys so much for being here with me and listening to this little rant, I don't know. But I appreciate you, and I love each and every one of you, and it will be okay, and it will feel good at some point. I'm just feeling the suck right now, and I'm just gonna sit in that for a little bit. But I'm gonna go cuddle the kiddo and my dog and just have a good night. Bye.